So today we are going to read about the Neisseria bacteria. So Neisseria is the gram-negative bacteria. So previously I have told that the Neisseria falls under the group of the cocci, and the Neisseria are the gram-negative diplococci. The Neisseria bacteria metabolize the glucose and it produces the immunoglobulin A proteases. And the Neisseria's bacteria also contains the lipo-oligosaccharide, so which is the strong endotoxin, and it has the strong endotoxin activity. You have to keep in mind that there are mainly two bacteria in the Neisseria. One is Neisseria gonorrhoeae, which causes the gonorrhea, and the Neisseria meningiae, which causes the meningitis mainly. So we also call the Neisseria gonorrhoeae is the Gonococci, and the Neisseria meningitis is the Meningococci. So if you look at this picture, you can see is that the Gonococci is mainly intracellular. So mainly the Gonococci is found inside the neutrophil. You can see the neutrophil structure, and there is the three nucleus of the neutrophil, and inside that neutrophil you can see the kidney shaped Gonococci. And also you can see in this another picture is that it is the meningococci. So meningococci is also the gram negative diplococci, and it has the capsule in it. So we are going to read about the gonococci and meningococci simultaneously so that it will be easier for you to understand. So you have to know that the gonococci has no polysaccharide capsule, whereas the meningococci has the polysaccharide capsule. And the gonococci has no maltose and the acid detection. The gonococci has no maltose acid detection, whereas the meningococci has the maltose acid detection. The gonococci, against the gonococci there are no vaccines, but whereas the meningococci there is vaccine present, and the vaccine is the type B vaccine, which is available for the individual who are at high risk. The gonococci or the gonorrhea are transmitted sexually or perinatally during the vaginal delivery, but whereas the meningococci are transmitted by the respiratory droplets or the oral secretion. The gonococci causes the gonorrhea. It also causes the septic arthritis. It also causes the neonatal conjunctivitis, pelvic inflammatory disease, and Fritz-Hugh-Trutis syndrome. The meningococci causes the meningococcemia with the petechial hemorrhage. It also causes the gas gangrenes at the tip of the toes. It causes the meningitis and the Waterhouse-Friderichs syndrome. The Waterhouse-Friderichs syndrome consists of adrenal insufficiency with fever and disseminated intravascular coagulation and shock. So how do we diagnose the gonococci? We diagnose gonococci by the nucleic acid testing, whereas the meningococci is diagnosed by the culture or polymerase chain reaction. What will be the prophylaxis for the prevention for the gonococci? If we put the condom, then it prevents the gonococci, because the gonorrhea is the sexually transmitted infection. We can also give the erythromycin eye ointment for the neonates to prevent from the neonatal blindness if the woman has the gonorrhea and she has the vaginal delivery. For the meningococci, we can also give rifampicin, ciprofloxacin, or ceftriaxone for the close contacts. So what is the actual treatment after the gonorrhea? The ceftriaxone is the main treatment for the gonococci. We can also give the azithromycin or doxycycline for the possible chlamydial co-infection in case of the gonococci infection. Whereas for the meningococci, we give the ceftriaxone or penicillin G. So this was for today. I hope you understand this video on the explanation of Neisseria and the um, differences between the various differences between the gonococci and meningococci with its explanation. Thank you.